Semolina stir fry with vegetables and this podi. We have already going to make it, not made, going to make it. Come, we'll all get together and make and see how it is, so that it will be delicious, lovely, tasty. Come, we'll all get together and prepare. First thing, I am putting the oil, about a tablespoon of oil I am using, right? Mustard, say about a half a teaspoon. If you put, it's more than enough. I use the black dal, but it is not black, no. Dal, once it is clean, it's a white dal. Black dal. Gram, 1 teaspoon of dal, black dal, 1 teaspoon of gram. A few dry chilies. I am doing it in a different way, so you can watch how I am doing. Garlic, onions, all shredded, long shreds. Green chilies, if you want, you can use the green chilies also. Carrots are a little harder, no? So the carrots. If you want, capsicum chilies, cabbage, all this you put and nicely stir fry. I have some potatoes also. I have cut into small pieces, and what you can see here, I have put it in water, otherwise the color will change, so that also now I put it. Curry leaves, of course, you have to break it up and put, otherwise what happens is the flavor won't come out. Still it is not fried enough. Stir fry, and I will now use a little salt. Alright, salt I put, enough salt put, and if you like you can use a little bit of pepper. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to put this vegetables into this, because when I want to do the semolina, I have already roasted the semolina. You can see, roasted the semolina, so there is no problem. I have roasted the semolina and kept. So now I want this to be nicely stir fried. Put pepper, salt, that's all I put. Stir fry, nicely stir fry this, and I put the water. 1 cup water I have put. Sorry, the vegetables are stir fried. Now I have put water, 1 cup water I have put. So now what I am going to do is, slowly this roasted semolina I am putting it in. A little butter, about 1.5 teaspoons of butter I have put. Salt and pepper only I put lastly, nothing else. Slowly you cook this and take it. It's beautiful, it has come out well. It's nice to have for lunch, for dinner. Right, so we will see how we are going to serve this and have it. Coriander leaves over this, don't want to put it on. Now I am going to make a small stir fry. It's called a podi. Gram, I have already washed it. Now I am going to roast it. Wash, dry and keep it ready so that you can roast it. Black dal also. Wash, dry, keep it ready so that it's easy to roast it. Right? So along with that, a little dal. I will give you the quantity. 1 tablespoon black dal, that is ulundu, black dal. 1 tablespoon gram, and half a tablespoon the normal dal. And a little chili pieces also I will put. Powder it. Now this is called that podi, which we have made it nice, tasty. For what? To serve with this. I will show you how we are going to serve this. But this is the podi that we use here. You can see this and this together. It goes very well and we can serve it. While you are serving, you put the semolina, stir fry semolina into the bowl, and the podi, which I have made it for you, and put a little gingerly oil on top of it. See, nicely mix it. With the stir fry, you serve it. So delicious, so nice, and I hope you will enjoy. Easy to prepare and quickly you can prepare, and you can give it even for children to take to school also, or when they come from school. It's tasty to have something like this without having rice every day. Try it out and see, it will be nice. And I hope to see you very soon with another episode. Till then, bye from me now.